Paint nails with me. 5-step manicure for acetone-free removal. The prep. Here I'm just grabbing what we'll be using today. We have Halo Taco's smoothing base as well as Halo Taco's peely base, and I'll go more into their uses a little later on in the video. This here is a critical tool for anyone's home kit. It's the Mooncat Vanisher. This is a cleanup brush. It will allow you to get all of those teeny tiny crevices on the edges of your cuticle. Anytime that you have flooding, this is what you can use to perfect those nail beds. Be mindful to keep it closed in between uses. Also, you can clean it using soap and water, which will help with the longevity of the brush itself. The process. For step 1, we have Halo Taco's peely base. Now this base coat will not protect against staining in any way, but it will make it so that you don't have to use acetone to remove the majority of your polish. And everything that I'm using today is linked below in the description. Make sure it's completely dry before you apply your next coat of polish, and you only need 1 coat of this. This is a water-based peelable formula. It's a great way to save your nail art, and it will not cause damage to your nail plate. There are other peely-based options out there. Halo Taco's is by far my favorite. Step 2, smoothing base. Now this is the base coat that will protect us against staining, as well as helping to smooth out uneven ridges on the natural nail bed. You can use your cleanup brush on all steps of your manicure, and that will help give a nice clean finish in the end. It's not on screen, but in between cleanup brush uses, I'm dipping it in acetone and then dabbing it on a piece of paper towel. The polish. And here we have ILNP's Bear. It's a sandy beige holographic nail polish. It's a jelly crelly type formula with just a hint of hollow. Step 3, coat 1 of 2. This is a really amazing base for any type of nail art. It's great neutral for a work setting, formal events, or every day. You see me messing with my thumb quite a bit in this video here. I bumped it on everything I possibly could. And so what I'm doing here is the classic, a little bit of saliva, tap, 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 and hope I don't bump it again. Step 4, coat 2 of 2. The smudge. So here is the final boss. I gouged my polish, so here then you will see me tapping.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
That takes just a very gentle touch and just a tiny bit of moisture. I'm not doing anyone else's nails, so my saliva works just fine. I'll end up cleaning my hands very shortly after. But if you are concerned, you can also use water for your tapping. The top coat. Step 5, ILNP's glass candy. Now, glass candy is quick drying and shrink resistant. It will give you crystal clear shine, everything you need in a top coat. Make sure to wrap your tips so that you can give your manicures their best long-term chance for survival. And now that everything is mostly dry, I do need to go in and touch up that thumb one more time, just for my own mental health. If you made it this far, thank you for watching and for painting with me, and I'll see you next time.